Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook basmati rice in a rice cooker. First, measure your desired amount of basmati rice, for example, 2 cups into a bowl. Place the rice under cold, running water, swirling it gently with your hand. Continue rinsing the rice, pouring out the cloudy water and refilling until the water appears completely clear. This crucial step removes excess starch, which helps achieve fluffy, separate grains, ensuring your rice is never gummy. After rinsing, drain the rice thoroughly and transfer it to your rice cooker pot. Now, add the correct amount of water. A good general rule for basmati is 1.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. For instance, if you prepared 2 cups of rice, you would add 3 cups of water. Let the rice soak in this water for at least 30 minutes, but no longer than 1 hour, allowing it to absorb some moisture for optimal texture. Once your rice has soaked sufficiently, securely place the inner pot, containing the rice and water, into your rice cooker base. Close the lid tightly to ensure proper steam retention during cooking. Select the standard white rice setting on your appliance. The rice cooker will automatically manage the cooking time and temperature, typically taking around 20 to 25 minutes before switching to its keep warm cycle. This hands-off approach makes cooking perfectly consistent rice effortless. When the cooking cycle is complete and the rice cooker switches to keep warm, resist the urge to open the lid immediately. Allow the rice to rest undisturbed in the closed cooker for an additional 10 minutes. This crucial resting period permits the steam to redistribute evenly, resulting in perfectly firm, separate grains. Finally, open the lid and using a rice paddle or fork, gently fluff the rice before serving your beautifully cooked, aromatic basmati. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.